Experience the ultimate cooking versatility with the Powerxl Air Fryer Grill. This 8-in-1 appliance is your all-in-one solution for roasting, baking, grilling, and more. With its deluxe accessory set and enhanced superheated air technology, this stainless steel indoor grill and air fryer combo will revolutionize your culinary experience. Enjoy the convenience of non-stick surfaces, faster cooking times, and healthier meals with less oil. Elevate your cooking game and unlock a world of delicious possibilities with the Powerxl Air Fryer Grill. Here are the key features of Powerxl Air Fryer Grill 8-in-1 Roast, Bake, Rotisserie, Electric Indoor Grill. Grill like a pro. Achieve authentic char grill marks and tantalizing flavors with the Powerxl Air Fryer Grill's 450 non-stick grill pan. Now you can enjoy the taste of barbecue right from your countertop, all year round. Experience virtually smokeless grilling and impress your family and friends with perfectly grilled meals. Say goodbye to the hassle of outdoor grilling and embrace the convenience of indoor cooking. Crispier air frying. Faster cooking. The Powerxl Air Fryer Grill takes air frying to the next level. With its superheated cyclonic air circulation, it cooks up to 40% faster than a conventional oven, delivering tender and evenly cooked food with an extra golden crisp on the outside. Enjoy healthier meals with up to 70% fewer calories from fat, as the need for excessive oil is eliminated. Crispy and delicious results are just a touch away with this powerful appliance. Versatile cooking options. Unleash your culinary creativity with the Powerxl Air Fryer Grill's 8 intuitive presets. Choose from grill, air fry, broil, pizza, bake, toast, bagel, rotisserie, or reheat, and achieve perfect doneness without any guesswork. Whether you're cooking a whole 10lb chicken, grilling 6 juicy burgers, preparing rotisserie kebabs, or baking mouth-watering desserts, this versatile appliance has you covered. Take control of your cooking experience and even program your own time and temperature settings for customized meals. Easy cleanup and dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your meals with the Powerxl Air Fryer Grill. The non-stick grill and griddle pans, stainless steel cooking rack, mesh fry basket, and egg, muffin pan are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing stubborn food residue and hello to effortless maintenance. Enjoy the convenience of hassle-free cleanup, giving you more time to savor the flavors and spend time with your loved ones. Conclusion: elevate your cooking game with the Powerxl Air Fryer Grill, the ultimate 8-in-1 cooking companion. Experience the convenience of versatile cooking options, faster cooking times, and healthier meals. Enjoy the authentic flavors of grilled food right from your countertop, all year round. With its deluxe accessory set and easy-to-clean parts, this stainless steel appliance is designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable and stress-free. Embrace the power of the Powerxl Air Fryer Grill and unlock a world of culinary possibilities.